Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. The anticipation surrounding the Insta360 ACE Pro 2 has been growing for quite some time. While action cam giants like DJI and GoPro have rolled out their latest models earlier this year, Insta360 has remained relatively quiet until now. It seems that behind the scenes, Insta360 has been meticulously crafting its next big release, and recent leaks have finally given us a glimpse into what could be the most powerful action camera yet. If you're curious about the Insta360 ACE Pro 2 and how it could challenge the top contenders like the GoPro Hero 13 Black and DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, stick around. We're diving deep into all the leaked details, rumors, and potential game-changing features of this upcoming device. The first and most prominent feature of the ACE Pro 2 is a massive sensor upgrade, going from the 48-megapixel sensor found in the previous model to a brand new 1.3-inch 50-megapixel sensor. This jump is expected to bring sharper, more detailed images and clearer videos, especially in challenging lighting conditions. But that's not all. The ACE Pro 2 is also said to offer a 157 degrees ultra-wide field of view, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or action-packed adventures in stunning detail. Insta360 is pushing the limits with the integration of their 5nm AI chip, alongside a brand new Pro imaging chip. While specifics about the Pro imaging chip are still under wraps, it's safe to assume that the combination of these two powerful processors will significantly boost the ACE Pro 2's imaging and processing capabilities. The AI chip is expected to enhance image stabilization, noise reduction, and low-light performance, while the Pro imaging chip may supercharge the camera's overall speed and responsiveness when handling complex shooting environments. What else can we expect? Well, the ACE Pro 2 will reportedly feature enhanced video settings, including support for pure video technology across both 16:9 and 4:3 aspect ratios. Leaks also suggest that Insta360 has focused on making the ACE Pro 2 more durable than its predecessor. While the current model is already built to withstand some pretty tough conditions, the ACE Pro 2 may offer even greater protection against the elements. With its powerful AI features, upgraded sensor, and potential for professional-grade 4K HDR footage, this camera could be the one to finally give GoPro and DJI a serious run for their money. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. We'll be following this story closely as more details emerge. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.